Kaizer Chiefs should have won this game, guys. They should have won this game. Maybe 3 or 2 or 4. But they could have lost the game. Last minute. TX Galaxy, one shot at goal, one shot on target. Let me show you something. This is before the shot on target. You know? Sharp. Ball is in the middle. Now, this is Velipai. Velipai. This is Velipai here. And then watch Umako. Marco is going to press. Gonzalo Umako, pressure. Bayamshia. He recovers very well. Marco there. Good, Marco. Now let me show you the incident. Now let's watch. It's not even a minute later. The ball is on the right hand side. Balenzani, I'll switch up boy. It goes to the left. Okay. Siaba spreader. Now watch this side. Keep your eyes here. Nah? The ball is in the middle. This is Uvelipai. This is Umako. What is Umako doing? He's pointing there, Wuti. Hey, unalimu tuda. There's a fire on the mountain. But look at this pass. So you will tell me who was wrong. Look at Umako, look at Uvelipai. Great save by the keeper there. Great save. Now, who is at fault? Is it Velipai or is it Umako? You will decide. This is Velipai. Zonal marking. But zonal marking, you're not closing down this zone. Umako, you're too focused on this guy. This guy is a striker. He must be here. You are supposed to be here now with Marco. He play it there. Marco is still sleeping there. He thinks he's at Orlando. Kabangu to Sescotin. Nice save there by the keeper.